Hey, it's been a while.
Reach for the biscuit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube. Or welcome to my YouTube because I probably lost everybody. I have been gone from YouTube for 4 months. I think it was the last time I uploaded. Let me look. Okay, I uploaded a month ago, around there. But then the video after that was 4 months ago. So it's basically been 4 months. Yeah, I'm gonna jump into this video now because there's a lot that I want to talk about. I don't know what we're doing today. I just know I'm gonna be putting makeup on my face because that's what I'm good at. I'm gonna start with a little MAC strobe cream. What should we talk about first? Well, the first thing, if you watch my videos at all, you probably notice that my my setting, like where I am right now, looks a bit different. And that, oh, got it all in my eyebrows, love that. And that is because I moved into an apartment. Oh my god, this is a fresh bottle of MAC Fix Plus. I'm in heaven. Yes, I did the adult thing. Not necessarily the smart thing, just kidding, it is smart. I did the adult thing and I moved in to an apartment. Cue the little kids. Yay! I have lived here now. What is the foundation I'm looking for? There we go. I'm not gonna really be talking about what makeup I'm applying, by the way. So, I moved into an apartment at the end of August. When I moved here to Des Moines, I moved in with my aunt and uncle first because I didn't want the financial responsibility of an apartment quite yet. When I was going to school, didn't really have a great like paying job. I truly didn't want to pay for an apartment yet either. Like it was too much. And so they graciously let me in. If you're watching this video, hi, you guys know who you are. I love you the most. So they let me move in. So I ended up, it was kind of funny when I moved in. I was like, this was in July of 17 when I moved in. I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna be here much longer I'm gonna be here like 3 months, really. I told them when I moved in, and literally the first day I moved in, and I was like, yeah, I really only plan on being here like till like about October. Like then I'm like, then I can save up enough money, do what I need to do, and then I can get my own apartment. And then October came. And I was like, do you care if I stay a little longer? And they were like, yeah, that's fine. We understand fully. And then I was like, okay, my goal is to move out in January. Because then I was like, I'll have a good job by then. And then January came. Didn't have a good job. Still only had my part-time job. And I was like, do you mind if I wait a little longer? And I was like, I'll be out before I'm 21, which was in April. That didn't happen either. And then I was like, okay, I'm gonna move out at the beginning of, had a roommate, we were gonna move in. We were planning on around June. Didn't end up working out for June, so we decided to go, like, we needed a little more time to save up money. So we were planning on August, and then things fell through with that roommate, and so we actually didn't end up moving in together at all. I'm gonna take a little bit of this, guys. So we ended up not moving in together, and I had no idea when I was gonna move out. And I kind of told them that. I was like, well, we're just gonna have to see what happens. Like, my goal is as soon as I can. And then by the luck of the draw, one of my friends was moving home, needed somebody to take over her lease. Cue me. Cue is where I come in. Really where I want it to be. Like, it's 5 minutes away from where I work. It's 5 minutes away from literally everything. It's a minute away from Target. Just saying. It's pretty dang cool. Also, my hands are purple because I run my hands through my hair. It's fine, we're fine, everything is okay. So yeah, now I live on my own. I pay bills. I have to work 24/7. It's great. Okay, I'm gonna set that with a bit of the Derma Blend powder. What else is new with me? How long ago was 4 months ago? What month is it? December. November, October, September. So August, was that the day I took Clay? The last time I filmed. 2018 has been really weird. Like, it's just been a really weird year. A lot of stuff happened this year. If you follow me on Instagram at all, you might have seen my post. I put it on Facebook too, I think. But it was just like, this was my year of change and it sucked. That definitely happened. A lot. I went through a lot this year. A lot of stuff I didn't want to go through. A lot of stuff I wasn't ready for. This was definitely a hard year. I'm really ready for it to be over. It's literally like the 17th right now, 18. And I just want this year to be done. April, if you're watching this, hi, you just texted me. So I was responding. This year, like, I learned a lot this year. I mean, so much. I'm gonna take Hula here, and I'm gonna take a bit of Dandelion. I think these are my two favorites in this palette for sure. I learned so much this year. I learned that, I mean, and this is something that like I've learned a lot, but I really learned it this year because of stuff that happened. But it was like, no matter how long someone is in your life, doesn't mean, like, just because someone is in your life for a really long time doesn't mean they're necessarily meant to be in your life. And that was something that was really hard to understand. I struggled a lot with mental health this year, about like just a lot of stuff that I'm not gonna get into this video. I don't know if I ever will. Probably not. But I struggled a lot with mental health this year. This was the first time that I really struggled with it. And this year was all about change. I'm struggling to figure out who I am as an artist. This year totally took all motivation away from me, for sure. Like, all motivation, all creativity, everything. Hold on, I'm trying to find eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna go in with the Desi Katie palette and just do a simple look, because I'm honestly probably gonna end up taking this off after. But yeah, I definitely lost all motivation, all creativity this year, everything. I don't want to do makeup anymore. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of basic, no necessary, first. Just trying to figure out like where my place in this world is, and it just seemed like everything that I was trying to do just came crashing down. I just didn't understand what the next step is, and I still don't. Which is, it's fine. It's not fine, but it's fine that I don't understand. But that's all about what it means to trust God. And that was one thing that I lost this year a lot, was my relationship that I had with God too. I definitely just put him aside and was just like, well, I can do this on my own, and I know that's not good. I know as a Christian, like, I shouldn't do that, but it's what I did. And I tried to get back involved in a church, and I found a church that I really liked, and then I just didn't go back. And I kept saying to myself, like, Maggie, you should go to church, like, you really liked that church, you'll love it. And I know it was the devil being like, just don't, like, just stay home, you're fine, just stay in bed, don't do anything, you're good. And I did. I let him win, and I know I shouldn't have, but I definitely let him win. And that's what I want 2019 to not be, is letting him win. I want to get back involved in a church. I want to find my creativity again, my motivation again to do what I love, which is makeup, creating content, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube or whatever social media ends up coming next year. I'm so ready to like find that creativity again and that motivation to do what I love, which is makeup and making people feel beautiful. And what was I talking about? I feel like I just got off on this like long thing. Yeah, I mean, it's been a tougher year. It's definitely, I mean, like, I turned 21 this year. I'm now, like, I feel like I'm officially an adult now. So, which I don't like. I don't want to be an adult. Just kidding, I do, but I also don't. I'm just gonna take a little bit of Just a Kiss, because I'm not doing anything after this. I don't need like a blue ass smoky eye. Does anyone else feel like that? Like, leave a comment, honestly, though. Like, do you feel like 2018 was like the year of suckiness? Honestly, I saw this tweet. It was just like, it said, I ain't gonna front. I lost myself this year. I forgot my worth. I let my mental health deteriorate and take a toll on my physical, but that's all done with. I'm slowly picking myself up and bouncing back, and my bounce back game is gonna be something crazy. And I was just like, that's so true. Like, I feel like a lot of people lost themselves this year. And I always read back to this verse. It just says, God has more in store for you than you can ever imagine. And that's just what I'm trying to remember, is like, I'm 21 years old. I don't need to have my life like put together right now, even though there's a part of my brain that is saying like, yeah, you do. I need to shut that brain up, shut that part of my brain up and listen to me, listen to God when he says, this isn't all I have for you. Like, you're so young, still you have your whole life ahead of you. Like, I know people who just started their careers this year, or some people who still don't know what they're wanting to do, and which is definitely where I fall. And there's nothing wrong with that. Wow. Do you see that? How pretty that is. Love that. Love that for me. I don't want to apply lashes because I just don't. It's too much work. But yeah, that's kind of what's been going on. Like, I mean, that's why I haven't been creating as much. And I think you can see on my Instagram too that like I kind of lost a lot of motivation, and I would get it back every so often, but not in the way I had it like last year, where I loved doing my makeup all the time. And I'm gonna take a little bit of the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, my favorite setting spray right now. And I'm gonna take my Child highlighter. I'm literally like, this is my favorite highlighter in the entire world. Guys, you know how it came back in stock like a week ago or a few days ago or whatever? I literally bought it back up. Also, I tinted my brows, so I don't really need to do them anymore. What are your guys' 2019 goals? Like, what do you want to accomplish? I have decided that 2019, I want to make about just getting my life back together and just making sure that I'm happy through it all and not putting other people in front of me, because I definitely do that all. Yeah. I'm gonna take a bit of the Fenty Gloss Bomb because I don't really want to do much to my lips right now. That's about all I have for this video. I kind of just wanted to do a tiny talking one, just kind of explain why I stopped filming for a bit, which I kind of did. Like, just the lack of motivation and the loss of creativity. 2018, you suck. And that's like all I can say. Like, this definitely wasn't my best year in my opinion. But I know there are people out there who have it way worse than me, and I will continue to thank God every day starting again, because I definitely have not been. I will continue to thank him every day for the life he's given me. I mean, I am lucky enough to be on my own now in my own apartment, like in a city that I really enjoy, on my own, and I'm fine doing it. Like, I'm not super struggling. Like, I mean, I can pay my bills. So, but yes, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching this. Let's bring in 2019 with a fuck ton of positivity and just happiness, and I just want to set good but attainable goals for myself this year and just get back to who I was in like 2017. I just want to get back to who I was. Alright guys, I love you. Mwah! Didn't want to actually kiss my hand because I have lip gloss on. Bye! Oh my god, my hands are purple!